Okay, we are going to start the car up. Couple of lights. Starts up immediately, even though I never drive it. Check engine light is for the evap. I missed the code. I will be getting rid of that. There's low fuel. You can see the performance shift light that I got bored and put in one day. Driver information control. Let me get to the back. Exhaust is SLP headers, high flow catback is stock, except there's no resonator, which personally I don't like, which probably will be put on before the car is sold. A little bit too raspy.